Hi everybody, Saberman61 Matt here, back again with another video, just a quick video of my CSX locomotive roster and a horn show. Thanks to Nitsujy, I'm going to post a link underneath in the description. Thanks to Nitsujy, I learned how to make multiple horns for the same locomotive, or, if you have like CSX, YN3 and then YN3B, like two different things, you can go in and go in the audio folder, copy and paste 3 files, and then put a new horn in there, rename it, and then go into like the YN3 and have it one horn, and the YN3B and have it be another horn like that. You can't like have the YN3B have like two different horns, which sucks, but whatever. This is a great way to get different horns on locomotives. So I'm gonna do a horn show and go over my CSX roster, starting off with my GEs. I'm gonna start off with a GE C36-7. I have a C39-8, C40-8, the dash 9s, what's supposed to be an AC 4400 CW, which if I was going to make the AC 4400 CW, I would have taken a dash 9 or something and just made it one, but whatever. It is what it is. AC 6000, which for some reason the AC 6000 are blue, which there is only one blue AC 6000, and the lightning bolts, actually is supposed to be going up on each side of the number and not underneath, so it does look a little different. I have the ES44 DCs and the ES44 AC and the YN3 and the YN3B paint schemes. Okay, so we'll start off with the GEs and the horn show with the GEs. We'll start off with the C36-7, and here she is. So we'll take the C36-7. A little loud, I know. Here we go. Then we'll take it up for a little quick cruise. the GP15, the GP30, the GP38, the GP40, the SD40, the SD60, the SD70 Mac, and the SD70 Ace. Now the SD60 has no audio. It was a upload repaint by a person on RailWorks America, and there's no audio with it, so the audio's not working. So we're going to start off with the Switcher 1200. Here we go. Here's the CSX locomotives. This is the SD60, and unfortunately, it has no audio. You can't hear it, unfortunately. So here's the SD70 Mac, one of the add-on libraries by Steam. I'm sorry. So there's one of your horns there. Okay, here's another Mac with a different horn. They are different. Just a little, but... And now I have two SD70 Aces, and I made both these horns. Here's one of them I made anyway for the 002 and the 000 X2 and the 000X0, and then the other one's for the 48 whatever, non-driver 48 whatever. But here's one horn. Richard Carter, Otto, and some other Bempino, Thomas Bempino or something like that. I think they're the three creators of the route, but this is the route I like to play on a lot of. Just show you real quick what I've done here at the end. On top of the horn show, I can't. Oh wait, I put a. Well, maybe I can. Yep, I can. Let's see here. Yep, there it is. I put a Walmart over there and a McDonald's if it lets me go to it. There it is. There's my Walmart and a McDonald's with a drive-through. So, anyway, there's the end of my horn show and my CSX Locomotive. Just let me know if you have any questions. But to do this, the multiple horns, I'll post a link. Check out what he has to say. Nitsujy, I forget how to say his name. But check it out and have fun.